Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to this video. Welcome. I suggest you watch this video thousands of times and practice. This video is easiest and best trading strategy. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Look at this point. Order a lot of, yes. Have a lot of order. Fast buy after fast buy. Yes, this point is a return price. Back candle. Yes, this point is a back price. And after candle is a stop loss. This is a stop loss. Yes, a stop loss have a buffer. Please, this point is open position. Open position have a buffer. Next, back candle, open position and active back price. This point, yes. Profit is the same size back candle. Yes. Take a profit the same size back candle. This point is first TP, 1 TP, 1 profit. This point is 1 profit. First profit, two profit is this point. This point is 2 profit. Second profit, this point. This is 2 profit and local support. This point. Near support is best profit, is 3 profit. This is next profit. Please look at the chart. Yes. Open position and active strategy. This candle. Look at here. Green candle, open position and active back price. Continue. Next candle. Look at the chart. Look at the candle. Please look at the candle. Next. Continue. Continue. Please continue. Next. Continue. Yes. Take a profit. First profit. Yes. Okay, first profit. 1 profit. I get 1 profit. Continue. Please continue. Yes. I get 2 profits. Yes, take a profit. Second profit. This is 2 profits. Continue. Please continue. Yes. Say 3 profits. 3 profit. I get 3 profits. This point. Very, very good. Yes. This position is very, very good. Look at the chart, back price after fast buy, and have a stop loss, have a 3 profit, and very, very good. This position is very, very good. Guys, thank you for watching to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you so much. Thank you very, very much. I suggest watch this video again, and practice. Thank you so much.